Welcome to the travel edition of our 3-minute medical updates. As you journey through the wonders of our world, it's essential to remember that our health travels with us. These videos are designed to introduce location-specific background medical and health-related information to help you plan your visit safely. So wherever your adventure takes you in our amazing world, join us as we explore key health topics to support your travel planning, one 3-minute update at a time. Nice day, eh? Welcome to Canada. A vast nation known for its stunning landscapes, from the majestic Rocky Mountains to the serene shores of Prince Edward Island. Most travelers are drawn to iconic sites like the CN Tower in Toronto and the historic charm of Quebec City. But as you immerse yourself in Canada's beauty, there are some health considerations to keep in mind. Firstly, consider the hepatitis A vaccination, especially if you're planning to explore smaller cities or indulge in street food. This vaccine can shield you from the disease contracted through contaminated food or water. Then, there's hepatitis B. It's recommended for unvaccinated travelers, especially those under 60. But the good news? There's a vaccine for that too. Lastly, while Canada is vast and diverse, remember that rabies can be present in wildlife, especially bats. If you're working directly with wildlife, a rabies vaccination is a wise choice. On a crisp winter day, a friend ventured to skate on Ottawa's famous Rideau Canal. While enjoying a beavertail pastry, she slipped and twisted her ankle. Locals were quick to assist, guiding her to a nearby first aid station. Her experience underscores the importance of being cautious even during leisurely activities and the kindness of Canadians who are always ready to lend a helping hand. Canadian cuisine offers a delightful blend of flavors. While indulging in delicacies like poutine or butter tarts, be mindful of where you're sourcing your food. On the brighter side, dishes like salmon, rich in omega-3s, not only tantalize the taste buds but also offer numerous health benefits. Please let us know what delights you encountered. In Canada, outdoor activities are a way of life. Many locals swear by the health benefits of regular hikes and nature walks. When the seasons change, so do the sports. Winter is for ice hockey, and summer calls for baseball games. Whether you're lacing up skates or donning a baseball cap, you're joining a Canadian tradition. So, when in Canada, why not embrace the local sports? Canada boasts a robust healthcare system, especially in urban centers. However, it's always wise to have travel insurance. English fluency is excellent across Canada. In emergencies, dial 911. And while English is predominant, knowing "J'ai besoin d'aide," which translates to "I need help," and "Je suis malade," which means "I am sick," in French can be handy in certain regions like Quebec. Also, always ensure you have a list of local doctors and hospitals during your stay. Thank you for tuning in to today's 3-minute medical vlog. If you found our content valuable, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful medical updates. Sharing is caring, so spread the word and help us in our mission to make health information accessible to all. Remember, your health is your wealth. And as always, for personalized advice or deeper insights, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. Until next time, take care, stay informed and happy traveling. Please also share your travel health tips or experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos in this series for more travel health insights.